What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and today we're taking a look at one of the easiest and most customizable smart outdoor lighting systems that I've ever tested. Today I'll be partnering with ASAHOM to take a look at their brand new smart permanent outdoor lights, and whether you're setting up for the holidays or just want a clean year-round look that transforms your home at night, these lights make it simple. No complex wiring, no complicated setup, just peel, stick, and light up your home. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right up top, you've got your user manual, and then there's a little ruler here so that you can install these lights at the proper distance from your wall. They've included these adhesive wire clips here, so if you see any slack that you want to kind of tidy up, you can do that with this. And these also have screw holes, and you've got tons of screws here so that you can attach the strands more permanently. They've included some more 3M tape here for the actual lights. All right, this is your power brick. Here's a fault detection module for troubleshooting. And you've got dual output on the control box here just to give you more versatility in your install. Here's your junction if you need to do any wire splicing. And then this is a waterproof junction box. There's two of these included. And then you've also got two of these end caps. So if you need to cut a strand short, you can do that as well. Here's your 6-foot extension for your power. To minimize the splicing that would be required for like a perfect install, they have several different lengths for the light strands here. Here you've got your single light strands, and there's 6 of those. 3 different 8-foot lengths with 6 LEDs on each of these strands. This is a 16-foot strand with 12 lights. You've got 3 signal amplifiers for longer runs. This is another 16.5-foot run with 12 LEDs. And then you've got another 6-foot strand and 2 more 3-foot strands. All right, so real quickly, I'll show you guys how the splicing works here. So you're just gonna go ahead and cut through. These lights, you probably want to go ahead and turn them off first. All right, I've got them cut here. All right, so now that those are off, you may want to unplug them as well. All right, so we'll peel these back and make these 3 separate lines here. All right, do that on both sides. Okay, and now we're just going to strip these wires. So grab your pliers. You don't need a whole lot stripped here. You've got a red, black, and gray line there. All right, so here you just want to open up your splice all the way on both sides here. Okay, and you're gonna twist these up. All right, we'll just insert this into the splice here, and then just shut these. The same thing on this side. Make sure that you've got your colors matched. Okay, we should be able to plug it back in and it should work. Okay, and so there we have it. We're all spliced in and good to go. Another major advantage with this set is the dual output on the control box. This is great for just giving you extra flexibility with your install. Maybe you just have one outlet and you still need to run lights in 2 separate directions. You could use this to extend those in 2 separate directions. So I'll plug these in real quick just to kind of show you how this works. Okay, so maybe that set is going down your fence line, and then maybe this set is going on your eave of your house. All right, if we turn this on, now we've got 2 separate strands that can go in different directions. I also wanted to take a moment to kind of show you how these end caps work here. So you can see there it's just a gel-filled end cap, which is going to protect the end of your light string from water damage if you end up cutting it. Maybe you've reached the end of your install here and you still got several feet left over on your light strand. Instead of this excess hanging off the side of the house, you can actually cut it. All right, and then this is pretty simple. You're just gonna put the end cap on the end of the light strand to protect it from moisture. And this also protects us from shock. You do have a few options for controlling these. You can control them with, of course, the control box here, the application, or you can use WLED mode, which allows you to use your Wi-Fi to control the lights. So to put these in WLED mode, you're gonna press the B button for 10 seconds. All right, you'll see the green light turns on. This means you're now in WLED mode. From there, you're gonna jump on your phone and you'll connect to the Wi-Fi that's being emitted by the lights. You'll see it there, WLED AP. The default password should be WLED1234. We'll connect. Okay, now that we're connected, We'll go to the sign in page, and that brings us to the control panel. You can change the colors inside the application. Down here you've even got different effects that you can play with, so there's all kinds of extra settings inside the WLED application. The installation here was surprisingly quick. I had mine up at about 40 minutes from start to finish. You just clean your soffit or mounting surface, peel off the backing, and stick the lights up with the included 3M adhesive tape. It holds really well, but if you want something more permanent, ASAHOM also includes wire clips and screws. Once they're in place, connecting to the app is a breeze. The setup process is guided step by step, and within minutes, the lights are responding to your phone. Everything pairs fast and reliably, which is a huge win for a smart lighting system of this size. To me, the standout feature here is definitely just how customizable these smart lights truly are. ASAHOM offers different strand lengths so you can perfectly match your layout without splicing. You can use T-splitters to branch off towards your roofline, attic eaves, or even fences, and the dual output controller means you can power and control 2 separate runs from one central hub. This is great for larger installations or wrapping around both sides of your home. It's definitely clear that the system was designed for flexibility, whether you're lighting a patio, garage, backyard fence, or an entire roof line. Each 100-foot strand comes with 72 individual RGBCW LEDs that are rated at 70 lumens each. You can also extend the system up to a massive 800 feet. If you do need to splice sets together, splice kits are included along with end caps for trimming away extra length. These lights are super bright enough to wash your entire wall in vivid color. They even project over bushes and shrubs, giving you full yard illumination that can double as path lighting. And because these are RGBCW LEDs, you're not limited to color. You also get full range of white tones from warm, cozy amber to crisp daylight white. That means you can keep them up all year for everyday lighting and then instantly switch to color effects for special occasions. The ASAHOM app is where these lights really shine. Inside the studio mode, you can mix and match 289 color palettes with things like party, cloud, or lava color palettes with 142 motion effects like aurora, blink, or heartbeat. That gives you over 30,000 possible combinations, letting you craft your own unique light show with insane precision. I really love that you can fine-tune this down to the exact rhythm and gradient you want. It really goes into that most customizable experience that we've been talking about. If you'd rather not customize everything yourself, the preset menu has over 100 ready-made scenes. You'll find everything from holiday themes like Halloween, Christmas, and Independence Day to ambient scenes inspired by nature, life, or emotion. Just pick the one that you like and you're good to go. The next part is my personal favorite. ASAHOM also added an AI-powered lighting option called AIGC lighting. You can upload a photo, speak a voice command, or type a description, and it will automatically create a lighting scene that matches the mood or colors of what you've shared. This gives you the ability to generate a light show based on your favorite vacation photo or the colors from your favorite Christmas movie. It's super impressive how creative you can get, and the options here are virtually endless. You also get zone control, meaning you can set different effects or colors for different sections of your setup. Maybe your front facade runs on one theme, while your backyard uses another, and all that's handled right from the application. And since these are designed for year-round outdoor use, durability is definitely a key component here. Each strand carries an IP67 waterproof rating, are built from anti-UV materials, and are rated for 50,000 hours of life. That's years of non-stop lighting through rain, snow, and summer heat. ASAHOM even backs them with a 3-year warranty, which really shows their confidence in the build quality. Overall, if you've been looking for a permanent outdoor light system that's bright, versatile, and easy to control, this one is definitely going to be hard to beat. The customization and AI effects make it one of the most advanced options out there. If you want to check them out for yourself or grab a set, head to the link in the description for more information and to order yours today. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.